In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a Google review QR code. Now, it's nice and simple. You just need to head over to an internet browser, and we're going to head over to google.com. Once you're on Google, make sure you're logged into your Google account, and then click on this square icon in the top right-hand side. Click on Business Profile Manager, and then from this list, select the business that you want to create the QR code for. This will take you to your visible Google profile page. From the right-hand side, you'll see a list of all of your reviews. Click on the Google Reviews button over here. Then select Get More Reviews, and what you need to do is copy this link here by pressing this copy button. Once you've copied the review link, we can then head back over to Google. In the search box, type in QR space code space monkey. Click on this top search result, this qrcodemonkey.com website. Paste your URL into the URL section, and if you want, you can also customize some of the settings here, so you can change the colors of the QR code, and you can also add things like your logo image. Once you're finished with the customization, click on Create QR Code, and as you can see, this has now created a QR code for our business. Now we can download this to a PNG, and once the QR code's downloaded, you can then share that with your friends and customers in order to get more reviews on Google. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.